Welcome to the Sauce and Gravy channel. This is Johnny Mac, and we're going to dive into a zesty citrus vinaigrette. Buckle up, let's go. We'll start off with the olive oil. We're going to do 6 tablespoons of olive oil. To that, we'll add 2 tablespoons of white wine vinegar. Next, we'll squeeze 1 full lime. And half of a lemon. There's not much to this recipe. It's fairly easy. You can do it pretty quick. Freshly squeezed orange juice, roughly about 1 tablespoon. To this we'll add the zest of orange, roughly about a tablespoon or so of orange zest. And this has got to be the biggest orange in the entire world. Check out that guy. That is a huge orange. And no, I'm not chopping things on my tablet. This is actually a cutting board. Make sure that the zest is chopped up nice and fine. And you're ready to add it. So last but not least, a little bit of salt and pepper to taste. Grab a whisk and give it a mix. Once it's well emulsified and everything's mixed together, pretty much ready to go. Check it out. Look at that. So that's how you make a zesty citrus vinaigrette. Thanks for watching the Sauce and Gravy channel. Be sure to hit that like button, smash that subscribe button to learn new sauce and gravy making tips and techniques.